Hey guys, we're going to have a look at a different time signature now, the 7/8. So up to this point, we've pretty much looked at everything in 4/4, or with a 4 at the bottom, right? A 3/4, 4/4, 5/4. Now, all that really means is we're counting a beat as a quarter note, okay? So really nothing more to it than that. If we change it to an 8, it's going to be an 8th note. Now, in reality, difference between 7/8 and 7/4 isn't much at all. But what we're actually going to do though, when you do the 7/8, you're going to be thinking in 8th notes. All right, so it's sort of faster, and it really lends itself to a bit of heavier music. But of course, you can also rip out some amazing classical with this. All right, so we'll get into it. I'm just going to stick with an E minor scale here in various spots, but we'll just look at a really simple riff with 7/8. So what we'll be doing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. It's one way to do it. Some people prefer to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Depends on your riff. Alright, so just a real basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to repeat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to introduce a few changes with it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now, if you want, we can change that to that 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 rhythm, incorporating 3 notes in it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And you get the feel here. You really, as soon as you get beyond 3/4 and 4/4, you're just stacking together other rhythms. So what sounds really cool is when we speed this up a bit. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you can see it's got a really distinctive groove there. It's quite cool. Now, let's see what else we can do with this. Now, if we move it up, we can start to get some really cool 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's a real riff rider, this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can get a feel. It's really bouncing there. Now, when we really speed this up, you can slip it back into what's essentially a 4/4 or a 4/8, an 8/8 rhythm, by adding an extra note in. And again, this is something that slips into this changing time signature, so kind of a prep for that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. To change it into an 8/8, we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Depending on how we stack that extra note in, but there's another way to do it as well. If we have a pause, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's where we've slipped from that 7/8 into an 8/8. So let's just get a feel just with this single note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now we're going to do the other way. it's these subtle changes that you can do with a 7/8 that really make it into something cool. So if we go, slip now into our 7/8. Very subtle changes, but totally changes up the way that feels. So we're slipping between the 7/8 and the 8/8. Right. Now, let's get a bit of a riff going. Can you actually solo over this? Of course. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, careful not to hold that first note for that extra, because that's what you feel like doing. Holding it, bad form. Ready? Alright, got there. So doing a 7-note riff, but using that root note there. So you can actually write a really cool 7/8 riff like that as well. Now, better leave it there because we do need to tie some in for the timing change, but it's giving you a really good feel. You're going, okay, now I've got some more tools to play with and some really cool riff writing stuff going on. We're going to leave it there. See you next time.